Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a brief update video on trade line posting. We like to do these at least a couple times a month, showing that trade lines are posting on a regular basis. This particular gentleman has a CPN with two trade lines. He ordered a U.S. bank. Let's see. Here we go. 2,000 limit, about 8 years old. Perfect pay history, of course. Zero balance. Revolving authorized user. Here you go. This particular one here, I believe, costs $3.95. So it's a nice boost you got here. Again, I always tell people get an older trade line. That gives you a lot of boost to your score. There you go. If you have any questions, call us, 202-213-2218. Also, get on our trade line list at tradelines.biz. That's tradelines with the S.biz. Subscribe to the channel for further updates. Have a good day.